Hey guys, it's VertiBlocks Gaming here, and today we are doing another episode of Phantom Forces. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. Come back every day for daily ones. If you guys want to play with me, follow or friend me, and then I will be playing from 6 to 7 a.m. is my first video of the day, and then from 4:45 till around 8 o'clock I do videos. So yeah, if you guys want to join me, join me around then and you might be in a video. See you aiming, firing. Got you.
Did you not get me?
No, I have to kill everybody on your team here.
You killed me once then.
Dude, I need to get as many kills as I can.
Bye, Curly. Can I kill you? Yeah. Do not kill me, please.
Do not kill me.
It's a YouTube stream.
Ow! No! You do that! You just let my friend 97 kill me. Okay, so guys, let's get into this and bum. If you guys want me to play a certain game in Roblox, leave it down in the comments. I'll play it. No! Die from a UMP5. 6 deaths, 12 kills. Okay, kills my friend 92. If you ever want a shout out, leave down your IGN in the comments. Oh, maybe the first 4 comments I friend. If you guys leave your in-game name. First comment, I repeat, first comment of this. I'll consistently check back at the thing. So if you guys do it, like about an hour or to 2 hours after I do, if it's anywhere from I'll be checking it from an hour to 2 hours after my video. Go, 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 go. No! I'm a kid-friendly channel, so guys keep coming back. If you guys are actually new to my channel, if you guys have reached this part of the video, write in the comments, #monkey. Booyah! Got another kill. Another one bites the dust, and another one down, and another one down. Another one bites the dust, and another one down, and another one down. Another one bites the dust, Are you kidding me? I have 9 deaths, 16 kills, 9 kills,
Kidding.
16 deaths. Nine kills, 16 deaths. Fire, no! No, Yuda! You didn't block my friend's bullet for me. Sorry, my friend 9-2. As I said in the last video, shout out to the Hunter, and shout out to Quiet Fun Time for sending me friend requests. If you guys leave 2 likes on the video, or 1.5 likes, just hit the like button anyway. You guys see that there's only 1 like, get it up to 2 likes, and if you guys get 2 likes, I will make a group, and I will make my own merch. Go, 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 go. No! No! You guys join my game, just say in chat. If you guys are a fan of Forces, click slash, right, chat, or click on it. But if you are getting in-game shooting, just click slash and you'll be able to talk. Yes, double kill. No! 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 How did I not just get that triple kill? You know how close are you to leveling up again? You're not close.
So I need. Let me think. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Ow! Why did you just shoot me? Dude, you were shooting me. Were you just shooting at the guy that was on the roof, the blue guy? $22.
That'd be hilarious. And you're level 0. It's your first time looking at the show. Yeah, good.
Sucker. Shout out to Penguin178 for being a great guy. Sorry, you were about to shoot me.
I was looking over ahead of you. Actually, I didn't see you in the game. I didn't even see there was a person in the air.
Sure. A likely story.
Well,
Tell it to the
over your
judge.
head, but see, they got it over.
That's why you just shot me again. BFG! Is that you? Dude, I got the last kill of the game! Oh, dab on them. Anything can be a sword as long as you actually put it through the task. MLG case. How much is it for a key?
No, different games. Hey, it's still unfair. We're still different games. It's unfair.
I know. I know.
Team Deathmatch. I want to everything are like height.
This is depressing of how sucky skins I'm getting. Every time I buy. First window is broken of the game. I shall get first kill of the game. Got first kill of the game with a headshot. No! And I've gotten third kill, death of the game. Da 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 bum bum bum. Go go go. No! What, Yehuda? Why? I hope you may you die.
I saw you on the map and I chose you. I saw him on the map. That's why I was scared.
Yeah, but Yehuda, you could have seen me. When you go up close, it shows the name over your head, dummy.
Well, I was unable to look at you the thing. I'll see how I
Hate
I
you.
thought it was different.
That's me.
Where?
Coming up the roof.
I just looking through. I said you might still see who people are, or who people are. Shut up! Always flying on my teammates in the roof. Great.
BFG. Gotta be FG, and I'm not afraid to use it.
I wish I could have looked at the drag on maybe it's on this now.
Booyah! I got a new BFG 50 attachment, laser. I just got 200 credits. It says plus 200. No! No! Were you with my friend 92?
That was a shot.
Answer my question. Were you here on this in this day? Tell it to the judge. Tell it now, Sonny.
Oh.
I'm talking to you. Were you on this and this day killing this person?
What was the question?
Whatever. I was kidding. Did you just kill me?
No.
Ow! No! Agent buddy? Agent buddy? Agent buddy, I'm depending on you. Deploy. Steven CB. I'll take it. Or reload. Go up. Ow! You know, I already have a Dragunov on me. Cut a Stevens BDB, and I'm not afraid to use it. No! No! Are you...